Now who they go boutique? Now who they go? Welcome to my channel. So guys, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Adawoni. I'm a returning subscriber. OG. So guys, please do want to like, share, and comment. I'm going to be taking you guys on the head trip. Do want to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. So guys, I got all this hair on the thrift market. Unbelievable, right? Yes. So if you know you want to watch to the end of this, if you know you want to know more about this content, you do want to watch to the end of the video. And I'm going to take you guys along to where I got this hair, how to locate these places, how to locate the places and prices. So firstly, before we go to the vlog, let me just give you guys a lead on what you expect. So that will be the prices of this hair. So my favorite here is this shake. Guys, guess how much I got this stuff? Unbelievable, right? Like, you would never believe how much I got this. And I got this on the thrift market, like on the roadside markets, popularly known as Africa in Nigeria. Guys, I got this for 7K. If you can remember very well, when this hair stuff, me, I haven't sold hair. I sold hair. Like, when you see something, when you see a valuable something, you pick it fast. Guys, I got this for 12,000 naira. And I feel like it's worth it. Like, basically, it's not easy to see a closure with it going. I'm going to be taking you guys on a hair thrift vlog, but before doing that, let me give you guys a lead on what to expect. So if you know you want to watch, if you know you want to see more about this content, if you know you want to get more info about this content, make sure you watch to the end of the video and comment, and I would reply all comments. So let's get started. So before I play the vlog video, I'm going to be giving you guys a lead on how I got this, basically the price. So firstly, my favorites, I would go to my top favorites to the list. I got this set for 12,000 naira. I feel like it's worth it. What do you guys think? The stuff is well plated, like it's very neat. So I got this for 12,000 naira in a hair treat. Like, it's unbelievable. I just love it, guys. If you want to start as a business, it's like it's worth it. I found it very hard to believe at first, but when I went there, guys, I started picking. I hope I'll wear this. My husband was yabbing me that it's not to buy, it's to wear. Well, I actually like this because of this texture here. Kinky. This is a kinky wig, yeah. Because of this stuff here, but this closure, I think I'll remove it and put another one. And basically, the hair, the beauty about hair is you knowing how to style it, you knowing. So guys, this is actually from basically we're coming from Lasso Beats. That I'm on the bridge, like I'm so scared, like this. You go to Lasso Market, that's your Lasso Beats. That's just it. I go the last price. So this was the first place I went to get hair. This place, one thing I noticed that hair is like clothes. They have grade by grade. So this woman hair, I think it's like second grade or third grade, because she actually got this hairs for 500 in her hand. But others, I don't really like them. They're not neat, because like I was saying, like, you need to know hair very well for you to find good hair in this place, because there are a lot of synthetic hairs here, but still in the mix there is still good hair. Like this first lock I got this for 500 naira. First lock, 30 pieces, and it's complete, 500 naira. So you just knowing good hair, that's just it. So here now is the second woman place I went to. This woman, her hair are first grade. Like, surprisingly, she has frontals, she has closure. Like, she's all the social proper women. Like, she know value of hair. They were bone straight hair in her place, and I'm not joking about it. Seriously, I was surprised and beyond words that she could actually have fine hairs. And I thought it's basically, I thought as an African hair now, it should, like, she won't call price. She has hair of 30,000. She has hair beyond 30. She has hair 35, 50. In this as in this Apakolo shop, like both sides. But truthfully, she has good hair. That's just, she has good hair. Like, I was even begging, I even applied to her that I want to sell. Oh, she's not great. Because that's one thing about you knowing your value, not so that's just it. So if you would love to come to this market, like I said, Lagos State University is a very popular place. You cannot lose, but it's early in the morning because of they're reconstructing the road, so they don't have a permanent stand now. Because one of my challenges in this market was me locating my friend customer. Both of us were just walking up and down because as they're constructing the road, they'll be chasing them away, so they don't have a permanent stand. But I believe that when the road is already done, like, you could actually get what you want, varieties of what you want very well. But like I said, one of my major challenges was locating my friend's customer shop, because my friend will sell this stuff, and as this is actually like a good business. You can actually resell this stuff. You can actually resell this thing and be making your money. This woman sells hair and she sells clothes. Tell me why you should be lazy. Like, that's not an excuse for you becoming lazy. Like, she sells hair and she sells clothes. If you come to buy clothes, it's a strategy. You come to buy clothes, you will see hair. So that's one thing again. And she has really good hairs, yeah, though they were synthetic. But if you know good hair, you're going to get things, and they're really nice. And she's a bit friendly, but she know what she's selling. That's what I would just give her for that, but she actually know what she's selling. And that thing again was one of my other challenges today, was the road is bad. Like, and that thing that added to the fact of this road being bad was that rain was falling. Like, I believe we're in rainy season now. I don't know if I'm right. I believe we're in the rainy season now, guys. Don't even dare wear fancy slippers to this market. Wear your between slippers. That was my mistake, guy. My leg was. You just wear your between slippers, and that's it. And things here. And if you told them you want to resell, probably they can get your contacts when they open. But it's like clothes business. I was surprised of that. Like a clothes business, they have grade by grade. If you tell them you want to resell, because I told you I wanted, like, when she was calling price, I was like, okay, now let me just do sense and tell her that, okay, I want to sell. She told me that people used to come and buy for her, like students in last week come and buy for her. Like, she's very popular there. I was like, wow. In this open ground, she's saying that she's making money, guys. Why won't I make money in this 2022? Like, I believe that one thing I actually learned from this woman is that excuse is not a barrier. Like, hi, she has really good hair. That bag, that white animals or sack bag there is where she pack her hairs, and she differentiated the good hairs from the bad hair, and not really bad hair, just synthetic, like, so that people that cannot really afford valuable hairs will actually get. She has front hairs, like, Jesus. She has lovely frontals in this Okrikastan. Then this is another place I went to. This area is bad. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. See, it's really not easy putting out content. Under the rain, I have to just go. So I'll put out content and actually grow my channel. So please, if you watch to the end of this video, please just help a sister and subscribe. Love you guys. Any question, comments down below and I'll reply you. Thanks for watching. Love you.